Hello there, Kenny Durkin here. It's time to play the music. It's time to light the lights. And it's time to go to the Durkin workshop. That's right. You all have been so patient in waiting for me to open my online store. And finally, it's here. This will be a store that is constantly updated. Right now, it's has the Muppet sculpts that I've been doing. You can get them either painted or unpainted. You can get them in different sizes. Um, but eventually, it won't just have Muppet stuff in there. There'll be other stuff too. I'll have prints of some of my artwork that I've done. I'll have originals of some of my artwork I've done. I'm also going to be open for commissions and requests, things like that. But back to the Muppets. That's what we're on. That's what I have right now in the store. Um, you've seen Thog, you've seen Dog Lion, and you've seen the Snowman. What you haven't seen is something that I'm going to start doing, and that is the Muppet of the Month. Every month, I'm going to add a new Muppet to the store, which means that I have to figure out, sculpt, and successfully print a new character. Uh, so the new character, you might see him over my shoulder right here. Let me grab him real quick. Get over here. Is...
Yes, sir. The goat?
Yes, it's Bobo. This is the Palisade size Bobo. I also have a Diamond Select size Bobo as well. He's about 7 inches tall, completely 3D printed, 3D sculpted and printed by me and painted. And he's kind of cool because you can take off his head and take off his tie and display him without his tie if you want to. I'm going to pack in 2 ties if you order him. You can request different colors. That way you can swap out the ties. You could take a tie and maybe paint it yourself, put some stripes on there, some candy canes or whatever. But there'll be different, 2 different ties in there, so you can swap it out. So you can have them with or without the tie, or with different colored ties. So here he is, and I'm going to do a separate video on him, on how I made him, and all the trials. I like to show like the process. So I like to show like everything that I did right and a lot of the stuff that I did wrong. I think that's important to show people that. So you just sit over here, Bobo. I'm tired of holding you up. So February is Bobo. March is almost done being sculpted. I'm not going to tell you who that is until March, so you got to hang around. But he'll be in the store. He won't be in the store just for the month of February. He'll be in the store going forward. So, because, Muppet of the Month, I might as well give myself more things to do and more commitments. But I'm up for the challenge. So, thanks, everybody. And stay tuned because there's a lot more on the way.